uploading files or video clips. So you have to click the plus sign on the upper right corner of Canvas. You add file. If it is a video clip, you click the external URL. But let's say you're adding file, click the file, then new, then choose from file. Now look it up on your downloads or my documents what to upload. Let's see. So I will choose area between curves. So this is PowerPoint. Then you choose indentation. Let's say you want to choose 2 levels, add item. Then you have to wait because it's still uploading, you can see. Now if you look it up, it is under volumes of solids with revolution. Then you're going to put this up under area between two curves. Now if you want to indent it again, increase the indentation, just click increase indent. Then do not publish it yet. So you have to click the unpublished. Now if you want to upload a video clip, the same process. You have to click the plus sign and then add the external URL. Then let's say you choose the video clip in YouTube channel, and then you have to look up area between two curves by integration. So let's say if you choose this one, just copy the URL, control copy, then go back to Canvas on this URL box, control paste. Then you have to name area between two curves. Then choose the indentation. Let's say 3 levels, add item. Now if you look it up again, it's under the volumes of solids with revolution, but this will be under the area between the curves. Now for the assignments or classwork, it can be online or paper and pen. Let's say you want to put your assignments in the problematic. You have to just export the file, but it must be in URL. So you have to copy this one or copy the link address. Then go to course for your Canvas. Then copy this, the file, the link for the problematic assignment. So you just name it as homework, 3 indentation also, and then add file. So put it up. Now if you will open this, let's say the area between two curves, this is the video clip, and it will show the video clips like this. Or if you want to click the homework, it will give you this page. So you just type in the homework, your name, sorry. Then they can just answer the questions. Okay, so uploading files in terms of PowerPoint, the online practices using the problematic, using the link for that problematic address, and also the link for the video clip.